welcome to Office Hours. I'm Rory Yakubov and I've got an equation for you to solve. If I have 23 students in my Algebra 1 class and I'm able to keep them motivated and engaged throughout the entire 70-minute period, what is the value of X? If you guessed Microsoft Teams, you're right. I love using Teams to make class time more fun and collaborative, and today I'm going to show you how to use a few of my favorite features. Let's get started. First up, Teams Chat. Whether you need to connect with students one-on-one or in a larger group, chat messaging within Microsoft Teams makes communication easy, efficient, and most importantly, secure. When chat supervision is enabled, only designated supervisors can initiate conversation with other participants, so I know that I'm the only one able to start and end class discussion. Which brings me to our next topic, Whiteboard. You can pull up this digital canvas while in a Teams meeting to collaborate with students in real time, and even open the chat function so everyone can participate and ask questions without disrupting the speaker. My students love using Whiteboard so much, they almost forget they're learning how to solve two-step equations. Okay, so if I wanted my students to solve a two-step equation, I would go into Whiteboard and I can go ahead and write my equation right on my screen for my students to see. And then as I'm going through and solving my steps of the equation and I'm asking my students for any kind of steps or tricks, I might want to change the color so that every step of solving this equation is clear to my students at home or in my classroom. I'm going to then go ahead and switch my color again so I can really emphasize each step of solving this equation so it's super clear on my screen for my students. And then we have our solution. If you haven't tried the new group assignments feature yet, it is a game changer. Now when you assign group work, students can submit one final project together. Then it's easy to give both individual and group feedback right within Teams. Finally, we have got to talk about Office 365 integration. With tools like PowerPoint, Word, and OneNote at your fingertips, teaching and learning really can happen anywhere. Plus, everything is completely free with a valid school email address. Whew! That was a lot to cover. I could go on, but I'd rather let you explore Teams for yourself. To see what's new and what's coming soon to Microsoft Teams, check out the links in the description below. And as always, make sure to like and subscribe for more tips, tricks, and how-tos. Happy learning!